Good morning, Taco. How are you? What's that, Taco? You couldn't sleep? You had a terrible nightmare. Tell me, what happened? Yes, you were swimming in the ocean? Yes, I know there's so much garbage in the ocean, Taco. What? You saw a turtle get caught in a fishing net? And this happens all the time? Wow, that's horrible, Taco. There's got to be a better way. And I know just the right guy to contact.
Cool. I got your email and I know exactly how we can help. Tell Taco Signify's on it.
Don't be sad, Taco. Help is on the way.
You've got a package.
Michael, I see you got my package. Look, we at Signify did some research and found that used fishing nets are a massive problem in our oceans. Up to 46% of all ocean plastics consist of fishing nets. One less fishing net in the ocean saves the lives of 37 marine animals. Thus, we knew we had the obligation to develop a beautiful luminaire that uses recycled fishing nets. It's called Coastal Breeze, and one luminaire contains 4.5 meters of fishing nets, which means that each one of these luminaires could save 4 marine lives.
Thanks, David, for introducing us to the new, incredible Coastal Breeze fixture. What's that, Taco? Yes, I'll show them. Isn't it amazing how you can turn this into one of these beautiful fixtures? Scan this QR code the Taco made. That will take you to Signify's 3D printed website. What can we say? Taco is a bit of an artist. And thanks, David, for showing us how we can contribute to the well-being of our oceans and help fishing communities create value from their used fishing nets. We would also like to thank all of you watching for your continued support in specifying and purchasing all of the products that we're so passionate about. Together, we're going to create amazing projects using 3D printed materials. And no doubt, we're going to have fun. In fact, we're going to have so much fun, you're probably going to want to dance with me. Come on, Taco, let's do the fish dance. Coastal Breeze, yeah.